Welcome back to my channel, guys. Here I have a pack of annatto seeds. So I will be showing you how to make annatto oil. And annatto oil is good for cooking. It's good for when you're frying your chicken, when you're making pepper shrimp or fried dumplings, because it gives your food a nice color and it gives your food a nice flavor. Okay?
Clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's kitchen. Carla's kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share. Carla's kitchen.
Okay guys, as you can see, changing color.
Carla's kitchen CC.
Very simple and easy to do. Wow guys, look at that, so amazing. Wow. So you can make your own annatto oil. It's very simple and easy. Okay, so now the annatto seeds, they're coming apart. Wow. So this is how you make annatto oil. All you need is some vegetable oil and your annatto seeds. Okay guys, so this is finished, so I'm going to turn off my stove. So here you have it, homemade annatto oil. So I'm going to pour it out so you can get a better view of it. Here you have it guys, the annatto oil, good for frying your chicken, gives your chicken a beautiful color and gives your chicken a lot of flavor, good for frying dumplings, even when you're making your pepper shrimp, because annatto oil is a flavor oil, alright, and it gives your food a lot of flavor, a lot of taste. So make your annatto oil guys. Please like the video, share the video out, and if it's your first time here, please subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you will not miss out on my next upload. Thank you so much for your support, and to all my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. I welcome you all with a warm welcome. Put God first in everything that you're doing. Be kind to yourself so you know how to show kindness to others. Walk good, do good, and good will always follow you. Take care of yourselves, guys. Bye.